Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about the Royal Enfield Hunter 350. So make sure to watch the full video. Royal Enfield has been making waves both in the US and across the world thanks to its affordable and beautifully styled machines. Its newest offering, the Hunter 350, has proven to be a success in the Asian market, with Janaki being able to test it out for herself. Although the Hunter 350 has yet to make its way stateside, it has already begun making its way to Europe. The new Royal Enfield Hunter 350 now serves as the Enfield line's entry-level model. It shares a platform with the classic 350 and the Meteor 350, two entry-level cruiser-style bikes that are also offered in Europe. Customers are wowed by Royal Enfield's wide variety of color choices, and the Hunter is no exception. There are two trim variants, Retro and Metro, and 8 different color choices. The Roadster is anticipated to be available in Europe by November 2022. The Retro version is the entry-level model with spoked wheels and a drum brake in back. The Metro version, however, has alloy wheels and dual-channel ABS. The only real differences between the two variants are the available color options, the brakes, and the different wheel styles. The Hunter is particularly beginner-friendly since it has no frills. Basic equipment is relatively light and is low to the ground, as is the case with most of Enfield's bikes. The Hunter 350 has an upright seating position that is a little sportier than the classic and Meteor 350, and it has 17-inch wheels on both ends. Performance-wise, the Hunter 350 could potentially be a strong alternative to maxi scooters and commuter bikes, especially among retro enthusiasts. It's packing a 349cc, air-cooled, fuel-injected, single-cylinder engine dishing out a docile 20 horsepower at 6,100 revolutions per minute and 15 feet-lbs of torque at 4,000 revolutions per minute. It gets a decent 13-liter fuel tank, allowing it to cover quite a bit of range in between pit stops. Pricing-wise, the Hunter retains RE's well-loved attractive pricing and is expected to retail for €4,490 for the Retro version and €4,590 for the Metro variant. Those of you in the US market who are eagerly awaiting this retro-styled city slicker will have to wait just a tad longer. Royal Enfield is expected to launch the bike stateside sometime within the first quarter of 2023. What do you think about the new Royal Enfield Hunter 350? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.